Alright, y'all. I am going to give myself a challenge that this week I will do daily videos. So that means I'm going to be vlogging every day and uploading those videos either that same day or the next day. One thing that I find super cool about nature is that, you know, one day you can go out into a rainforest or even in your own backyard and think, nothing's cool about this tree bark, nothing's cool about these leaves. But then you come back maybe a few years later, maybe it's a couple months later, and you just start finding some type of perspective on the nature and how beautiful it is in different mediums, like photography, painting, whatever it is. Like, there's always some way that you can make anything beautiful. Like, I could find some type of weed on the floor and then I could turn that into something beautiful by vlogging it. And it's all just kind of in the perspective and in the video technique and editing style and everything like that. But ordinary things that could be like, it's just a plant. Oh, it's just a bike. Oh, it's just tree bark. It can turn into something really interesting.